We do not believe in I and me. Every day, we make it our goal to support you and your project. We make it our goal to meet your requirements and to help you succeed. We do not believe in I and me. Because how could we, after having worked with more than 200 customers in more than 80 countries around the world? We do not believe in I and me. Because reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction have made us what we are today, the world leader in welded heat exchangers. We do not believe in I and me because I and me will only get you so far. If you want to grow your business and create new value, you are not alone, because we do believe in us together. Voltaire once said, "Perfection is attained by slow degrees. It requires the hand of time." Since more than 30 years ago, from the center of France to your business, our only goal is to achieve perfection. We are Nexen Group.